Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're out at Attention to Detail PA, right behind Chester County Transmissions, CCT, picking up the Beast. Let's see what Chase had to go through to get the Beast. Chase and Kieran had to go through to get the Beast all cleaned up.
And all the sand in here. I think he did this on purpose, and he's going, hey, you know what? Screw Chase and Kieran. Look at that. Sand is very difficult to vacuum up.
It is the worst.
It is one of the worst things to vacuum. I'll show you what we got going on right here. So this is our customer, Kevin's truck. A subscriber of Steve's. We did a full hand wash with the foam can and everything on it. Did a full decontamination with the clay bar. Iron X to get all the iron contaminants out of it. We did the suspension. We did the interior as well, just to get that out of the way. Seats all clean and conditioned, dash plastics all clean and conditioned in here. Doing a 5-year ceramic coating on it. Before you do a ceramic coating, you have to do a paint correction. It does the levels of paint out, make sure there's no scratches in it. You guys see all the swirls and scratches in his paint right there? All those scratches and swirls is what we're removing. So as you can see, those are those panels. We did the front fender right here, and I mean, shine those lights on and it's crystal clear. No scratches, no nothing on there. Finish up the door right here. You guys can see no scratches in there. Another dead giveaway. The detail has been corrected. So you look at the lights in here. Look at the reflection. You can see how it's a little crystal clear right there. You can actually see the outline of the lights. Come over here, it's a little bit harder to see them. Kind of look at there together. Come over here, it's a little more clear. You kind of see that they're separated. So I want to show you guys an awesome trick that little secret trick that I've learned over the years. So these wheels right here, they're chrome plated. They are pitted. Unfortunately, we won't be addressing the pitting today, or I don't think we can fix that. But we will be polishing the wheels. And so this only works for chrome plated wheels. The polished aluminum that looks like chrome, don't use this on there. When you're working with chrome plated wheels, if you just bring a regular polish to them and a rag to brighten them up, you're gonna scratch them, right? Because the polish you're gonna use has abrasives in it. And so those abrasives are too dry, the polish is too dry, and that's what's gonna create the scratches in here. So a great way to avoid that and polish up the wheels is take a little spray bottle of water, few spritzes right there in the wheel. Using Meguiar's M205. This is ultra finishing polish. It's a professional grade, but you can pick it up just about anywhere. So you put a little bit on the rag right there. And all I'm doing, light pressure. Just rub it in like that. And so what this water is doing is it's creating lubrication from the abrasives, so the abrasives don't scratch the wheel. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna go around doing this. Work it in. And then I'll show you guys the finished result. This is the finished result right here. Great way just to brighten them up a little bit. It's not gonna take any scratches out. It's just gonna take some oxidation out of them. Brighten them up a little bit, and that's all we were looking to do today. It's hard to polish or get scratches out of chrome plated wheels. 1:30 a.m. and still working on the truck. I've been here since 11 this morning. So let's see, I've been here for well over 12 hours. And we got all the ceramic done on the paint and the wheels. I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like. We did all the suspension. This isn't ceramic coat, this is just clean and then protected. All I have left to do is just to ceramic coat the door jambs. And then tomorrow morning, we'll be doing the window ceramic, touching up the interior. Well, then after that, I don't know if you guys can see, we get started on this one. I think you guys know what this is. It's the Beast. It's a little dark outside, it's hard to see. We did 3 coats on the paint, 3 coats of ceramic. We did 2 coats on the wheels. We did 1 coat of G-Technic Crystal Serum Light. Then we did 2 coats of G-Technic Exo V4. So this is rated for about 5 years. Ceramic coatings really depends how you maintain them. This guy was to take his truck out tomorrow, right? Never wash it, never touch it since today. You know, 3 years down the road, the ceramic will probably be gone. It'll lose its effect. However, say he takes it home, washes it once every week, keeps up with it, maintains it, the ceramic coating is going to last, 10, 15 years. So whenever a ceramic coating gives you a lifetime expectancy, really depends how it's maintained. Now, if you guys go to my social media page, I'll have before and after pictures of this thing. We did a paint correction on it before and after, and that was pretty crazy. I mean, this is up there with one of the worst cars I've seen with as far as the paint condition goes, how many scratches it had in it. 2:15 in the morning. Got the door jambs taken care of. They're now all ceramic coated. I want to talk about this a little bit. When you're stepping up into the car right here, more often than not, you should go put your feet up here and you gotta scrape them. Well, ceramic coatings help from preventing scratches. So A, your door jambs right here won't get scratched up, and then B, when you're cleaning them, it's so simple. I'm telling you, when a car is ceramic coated, it's very, very easy to clean. The ceramic itself adds so much gloss and shine. Open the doors up, they're still shiny in there. Cleaned and protected. This truck is looking outstanding. Close up on the wheels, but we did do a little that polishing technique I showed you on chrome plated wheels, and we also did 2 coats of G-on rim. I believe Steve actually did a video using G-on rim. It's personally my favorite wheel coating. Very easy to use, user friendly, a lot of work time to do, work with it. So we did 2 coats of that on there. That should hold up about a year to year and a half is what it's rated at. Steve's truck, let me show you a little bit about this one right here. So we have bird crap right there, bird crap right there, big old bug splatter. Look at the sand in there. Oh, that's terrible. If you guys don't know anything about sand, it does not vacuum up nicely. I mean, he's got sand on the dash. Right on there. Sunscreen on the seats. Oh, look at that. Holy crap, look at this. Sand all in the seat cracks. All the way down. Seen it all the way under the seat. I don't know if you guys can see that. The sand's all the way under the seats. The suspension is covered in sand. Sand in the wheels. Got bugs all over it. Here's the worst of it. Look at that sunscreen. It turned blue. Look at that. Door handle, jeez. There's more of it. All sunscreen right here. All over the seat. Center console. Sand under the mats. The doors, more sunscreen. More sunscreen, 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 sunscreen. And more sand back here. Alright, we're gonna start on with it. I'll give you guys some little progress updates. We did a little pre-soak on the bottom. All the suspension pre-soaked them with the degreaser. Sitting all there. Now we're gonna go underneath it. We're gonna use a pressure washer. What that's gonna do is it's gonna get most of the dirt off of it. And after that we can go in and attack with the degreaser again, some other brushes, and get it all cleaned up.
Pre-circuit.
Uh-huh. Whenever you're cleaning these gloss black wheels that scratch really easily, a great idea when they're really dirty is to pre-treat them with an iron remover. And what that's going to do is it's going to break down all the brake dust and some of the other grease and grime on there. You're going to rinse it off before you clean it. That way, when you go to do your contact clean, there's going to be less dirt in there, which leads to less scratching. So just spray a little bit on here. By the way, we don't normally use this stuff. It's a little bit more consumer level. It works great though. It's called Eagle One Triple Cleaning Foam. And this is a brake dust remover. It turns purple. So I don't know if you can see that. but it's one of those iron reacting ones. Works well. It's not typically what we use, but for this case, we are using it. Do a little pre-treat on the wheels. Works great. Definitely leads to less scratching on the wheels when you go to clean them. The outside's mostly done. Got a few last things to touch up. We are gonna try and polish up these wheels a little bit better. Bring a little 3-inch polisher to them. Got the suspension done. Sunscreen's off. And we got started on the inside today. Got this seat cleaned up. Got the sunscreen off of those right here. Got the middle cleaned up. Just about everything up front's all clean. When you're dealing with sand though, one of the very important things is preparation. If you got a vehicle covered in sand, the last thing you want to do is just quickly hose it off and then bring your wash mitt and start scrubbing it, because then you're going to grind all that sand into the paint. So for example, we did a lot of pre-treat. Like we pre-treated the wheels with that iron remover, we pre-treated the suspension with degreaser, and we pre-treated the paint with foam. And the wheel, we foamed the whole thing. We did the suspension, the wheels, wheel wells, paint. And we used pressure wash, we blasted everything out. This is going to reduce the scratching levels when you're dealing with sand. So this works for all occasions with sand, dirt.
It's Kieran from Attention to Detail PA. Just checking in with you guys. We just finished up Steve's truck. There's no more beach on it, thankfully. Got the suspension all shined up, you know, all the goodies. Full underbody wash and protectant we put on. Hopefully this is still unlocked. There we go. Like I said, finally got rid of the beach that was in here. Remember, the sand was all over the dash, all over the side steps. I stepped on that, I still gotta wipe it, but other than that, it's done. You know, got all the leather shined up. Got the dash looking all good, looking all pretty. Then you guys gotta check out this paint color in the sun. Looks superb with the bead maker that we put on. And that's how we do it, guys.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
You look tired.
What's going on?
What's up, man?
How's life?
Oh, man. What a difference. Heddy. No more sand. No more sand. Looks good. Making me have second thoughts.
We thought of the next mod for you.
What's that?
And this has to happen, by the way.
Why?
Train horns.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That has to happen.
I wouldn't on my truck.
Yes, you should jump both the trucks.
What if I don't keep this truck and get something else?
You wouldn't do that.
Looks really good, buddy. We're not towing, so we'll put the mirrors back down. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you check out Attention to Detail PA. These guys will get you taken care of. They kill it every time. Hopefully they gave you some cool tips and tricks if you guys want to do this at home yourself. But if you don't, leave it to the experts. These guys got you covered. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.